Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today, I want to talk about 4 ways or 4 tips that I recalibrate because I've been feeling like really off. And sometimes I get like that. And so I need to recalibrate. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey. All right, so let's just jump right in. So I don't know what's going on in the universe, but something's going on and I feel it in my body, in my spirit. And to add to that, I got a bunch of vaccines. So I've been feeling like really off. And even before the vaccines, I was feeling off. So I wanted to share with you how I recalibrate, some of the things that you can do to recalibrate. And there are 4 tips. I did a short on this, and this is the extended version of that. So I want to say, number 1 is meditate. I meditate. I meditate to literally receive and hear what God is trying to tell me, what the universe is trying to tell me, what I'm trying to tell myself, what spirit is trying to say. I meditate. So I'm listening. I'm listening and I'm being still for whatever answers that are coming to me. So I meditate and I get into it. Not just my little 5 minutes, my 3 minutes. No, 20 to 30 minutes of meditation. That's number 1. Number 2, I pray. I ask God or universe or whatever you pray to, I ask for the guidance. I ask for what I want very specifically. I ask for this feeling to be removed from me. So I pray, I ask. That is the time that I'm asking God for guidance, for something, right? I'm verbally telling what I need, what I feel I need, and that I want some clarity. So that's number 2. Number 3, I exercise. I have to move. I have to move the energy through me. I have to move the energy through me in order to get the energy back. And most of the time, I do some grounding exercises. And that is being in nature, being close to nature, feeling nature, exercising and moving, getting the oxygen flowing, getting my muscles flowing, getting all this anxiety out of me. Stress, because we know stress brings on anxiety. Stress blocks a lot of your creativity. It blocks your spirit. It blocks a lot. So you need to move through. And you don't have to do a lot of rigorous movement. Just move. Whether that's dancing, whether it's running, jogging, walking, whatever, moving. So that's exercise. And number 4 is sleep. You have to get the proper amount of sleep. And I think sometimes that we don't give sleep its props, but sleep is very important because during sleep, a lot happens. A lot of repair happens. A lot of weight loss happens. A lot of rejuvenation happens. A lot of connecting with your soul, your dreams, your spirit. All of those things happen. And so those are my top 4 tips that I use to recalibrate. And I hope that helped you some because something's going on, guys. I don't know what it is. I wish I was more into astrology. I'm going to reach out to some friends of mine who are. So maybe they can help me out and tell me what's going on. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the like button. In the comments, if you know what's going on, if you've been going through this yourself, tell me about it. Share with me. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any additional tips that you want to add to this, let me know. Maybe they'll be helpful for me, my listeners, my watchers, my extraordinary family. Share. Hit the like button, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye, guys.